Next kingdom is of kingdom Animalia. All the animals are included in this Animalia kingdom, and they have very vast difference of characteristics. So we cannot study all the animals together in a single kingdom. So we have to divide all animals in subgroups and in subcategories. What is the basis of division or differentiate or classifying of these different animals? Some are the basis through which we can divide or we can differentiate or we can classify the organism on the some basis. That basis is of first is of level of organization. Levels of organization. If we see in the organism, the different levels of organization is there. That is of cellular. Example, porifera means only the organism cells are aggregated together to form a single organism, that is cellular organization. Second one is of tissue level. Tissue level means cells organized together to form the tissue, and that type of organization is known as tissue level organization. And tissue level organization present in next group, just like Coelenterata group. Third type of organization is of organ level. Tissue comes together, they form organs, just like mouth, just like heart, just like hand, just like intestine. These are the different organs which perform the particular function, that is of organ level of organization. Example of Platyhelminthes. And fourth type of organization is of organ system level organization. Organ system. Whenever the many organs comes together, they form the organ system. That is of organ system level of organization. For example, that is respiratory system, which includes nose, nasal cavity, pharynx, larynx, trachea, lungs, all these, just like digestive system, mouth, esophagus, small intestine, large. These are the different organs comes together to form the same function, and this system is known as organ system level organization. Example, Annelida, Arthropoda, and other higher phylums which are included in organ system level of organization. So four types of level of organization is there: cellular level, tissue level, organ level, and organ system level of organization. Second is of blood circulation. In organism, two types of blood circulation is there. One is of open type and another is of closed type. In open type, that blood present inside the body cavity, and that will be directly contact with the environment through different pores. That is of open circulatory system, just like present in the arthropods, mollusca. Closed circulatory system, in which blood flow inside the blood vessels, different type of blood vessels, that is a closed circulation. That is Annelida and higher organism, closed circulation is there. The next type of basis of classification, all these are of basis of classification. Basis of classification. on which we classify the organism. The next is of symmetry. Symmetry means animals can be categorized on the basis of symmetry in three parts. Animals can be categorized on the basis of symmetry. Symmetry means the part of organism presenting, how many parts of an organism present in two opposite sides. That is, suppose this is of organism. If we divide it from this plane, how many parts present towards left side, how many parts present in right side. That is of known as symmetry. According to the symmetry, the organism of three types symmetry is there. That is of asymmetry. Asymmetry in which the organisms cannot divided into two equal halves from any plane. किसी भी प्लेन से बॉडी को डिवाइड करेंगे तो दो बराबर पार्ट में डिवाइड नहीं हो पाती है. That is known as asymmetrical. And example is of sponge. That body cannot divided into two equal halves from any plane. That is known as asymmetrical. Another type of symmetry, that is of radial symmetry. Radial symmetry, body divided into two equal parts. Body divided into two equal part from any plane. किसी भी प्लेन से दो पार्ट में डिवाइड किया जा सकता है. सपोज दिस इज द बॉडी, फ्रॉम दिस वन it can be divided into two equal parts. That is of radial symmetry. Example, Coelenterata. Organism divided into two equal parts from the any plane. Another type of symmetry is, that is bilateral symmetry. Bilateral symmetry, a type of symmetry in which body can divided into two equal parts. Body divided into two equal parts from one plane. That is of bilateral symmetry. Body can divide it into two equal parts from one plane. That is of bilateral symmetry. Annelids, arthropods, the example of bilateral symmetry. Then next type of basis of classification is of germ layer. Germ layer that body is divided into two germ layer or three germ layer. Body is divided into two germ layer or three germ layer. Two germ layer, that is of diploblastic. The outer layer is of ectoderm and inner layer is of endoderm. At the embryonic stage, two germ layer present in the organism, that is of diploblastic, ectoderm outer layer and inner layer is of endoderm. Ectoderm and endoderm, diploblastic example is of Coelenterata. And another type of, that is of triploblastic, that is body divided into three embryonic germ layer, that is of ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. That is ectoderm outermost, middle is of mesoderm and innermost is of endoderm. Example is of platyhelminthes to chordata. Platyhelminthes to chordata. Chordata, all the phylums included in the triploblastic. So here 3 germ layer is there. Then next basis of classification is of, that is of the coelom. Coelom. Coelom is a type of body cavity. Coelom, it is the type of body cavity or body cavity. Body cavity. If the body cavity is absent, that is acoelomate. Body cavity is absent, known as acoelomate, porifera, platyhelminthes and Coelenterata. Flatworm is the example of acoelomate. Porifera, platyhelminthes, Coelenterata, in which coelom absent. Coelom absent, body cavity is absent, that is of acoelomate. Second one is of pseudocoelomate. Pseudocoelomate. Pseudo is false. False coelom is there. False coelom present. False coelom present means their body cavity is there present, but which is not lined by the mesoderm. Mesoderm की body cavity पे mesoderm की lining नहीं होती है. Suppose this is one this is the two layer is there, outer side and one more inner side, that is of, this is one layer or this one is of another layer. These are the two layer is present. This is a diploblastic, this complete outer layer or this complete, that is inner layer, endoderm. This is the diploblastic condition is there. And second one is of pseudocoelom, in which small, in the form of small pouches, many chamber is there, and their lining, the chamber's lining is not made up with the mesoderm, that is of false coelom or pseudocoelom. Example is of Aschelminthes. Aschelminthes, that is of pseudocoelom or pseudocoelomate. And third type of body cavity is known as coelomate. That is a true coelom is there. True coelom present, where the lining of body cavity is made up from mesoderm. Lining of body cavity is made up from mesoderm. This is the ectoderm. Suppose this is of ectoderm and this is the central cavity. So ectoderm, then mesoderm, that body cavity, then mesoderm, then endoderm. That is of both the side of body cavity. The lining is made up from the mesoderm, that is of true coelom or true body cavity. So according to body cavity, that's acoelomate, body cavity absent, coelom absent, pseudocoelomate, false coelom is there, means cavity is there in the form of pouch, but lining is not formed from the mesoderm. And coelomate, true coelom, the lining of coelom is made up from the mesoderm, that is of coelomate or true coelom. The next characteristics of segmentation. Segmentation, body is divided into segments, different segments. Sometimes that body is divided into externally as well as internally. Externally as well as internally. Such type of segmentation is known as metameric segmentation. Metameric segmentation means body divided into internally as well as externally as well as internally. Such type of segment is known as metameric segmentation. Next characteristics of notochord. Notochord means backbone. Backbone, that dorsal notochord present in some organism and absent in some organism, that is of notochord. So on the presence and absence of notochord, again the organism is divided into two groups, that is of non-chordates non-chordata and chordata. These are the two groups of the organism in which notochord is absent, that is non-chordata, and notochord is present, that is of chordata. So these are the different bases of classification on which all the organisms classify into different groups. That is the level of organization, blood circulation, symmetry, germ layers, coelom or body cavity, segmentation, and notochords.